Okay, so today we are going to show you how you can use generative AI to create your own WalkSTEM in under 5 minutes. A WalkSTEM is a tool that educators can use in their classrooms or on field trips with their students to help them get excited and passionate and curious about the math and science in the world around them. So today I'm going to be using Claude AI. This is a really useful I would say, AI tool to use because with just a basic plan, you can do a lot of these. So I start by uploading the WalkSTEM generator PDF. What's going to happen next is Claude is going to read it and is going to ask me a series of questions. I don't have a lot of experience with generative AI, and you don't need any experience with generative AI in order to do this. Okay, so the first question that Claude is going to ask me is, let's start with the basics. Where will this walk take place? And this one is going to be at the William B. Travis Academy in Texas. Okay, great. Would you like the math walk to be aligned to particular state standards? So this is really important, right? If you're using these tools in the classroom, you want to make sure that the math and science that you're teaching your students is correct and meets your state standards. So yes, I'm going to say, yeah, it even suggests it right there because it knows where the location is. So yes, please adhere to text standards. Perfect. Make sure line to text standards. What is the age or grade level? Okay, so today we're going to make it for 7th graders. And we're going to focus today on math, but specifically, I think, let's focus on pre-algebra. Okay. Would you like to add a theme or layer? That's a very good question. No, I think pre-algebra is enough for today. How many stops for the walk? For the walk, 3 to 5 suggested. I'm going to say 4. That's a nice sweet spot. Okay, and then do you have any images? Yes. So I actually do happen to have an image that I pulled from the website. But for teachers, if you can take a picture of the environment that you're in, whether it's a classroom or a park or wherever you happen to be. Okay. Finally, do you have any stories or personal anecdotes you'd like me to finish? I'm just going to say focus the walk on the classroom because I want to keep it contained today. You don't have to do this, but for me, I think it's going to be helpful for this specific walk. So after just answering those very simple questions, Claude has generated a walk stem for me. So we can see we've got 4 stops. We've got the globe station. We've got the desk arrangement. You can see it's literally writing this in real time. And each of these is going to connect to a different pre-algebra subject that meets Texas standards. So for example, at the globe station, we're looking at coordinate systems and proportional relationships. On the desk arrangement, we're looking at factors, multiples, and algebraic expressions. With the classroom windows, we're looking at area formulas and algebraic expressions. And for the bulletin board display, we're solving equations and working with ratios. And then it even gives me a PDF document that I can print out, that I can use when I'm leading the WalkSTEM tour in my classroom. Okay, that's pretty much it. Like I said, in just a few minutes, we've got a really fun tool that we can use to engage our students with some really interesting pre-algebra.